Hello guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the cable, EDL cable and normal cable, what's the difference between them, and how to make in 5 minutes you can make your own EDL cable yourself. Very easy. And why these EDL cables are useful? Because most of the Galaxy phones, newer phones, are EDL or Qualcomm models, Qualcomm processor they use. So in that case, if you want to unlock, if you want to remove KG log, if you want to remove something like admin log, these Qualcomm mode is very important for these phones. And you don't need to buy very expensive cables, because I made it myself and this is working perfectly. So in that case, I will show you the difference and I will show you how it works. So I have a computer here, device manager is already on. So in that case, when phone is in Qualcomm mode, it will show you here. First of all, if you have normal cable at home, type C cable, just rip that off like this, cut it, and you will find 4 cables inside. One is red, white and green and black. So most of the cables have 4 colors already in. So green and black we need to consider. Just peel them off little bit from here and twist with each other and make them short. So this is EDL cable already made, and I'll show you how to put in EDL mode. Very simple way. So in that case, phone must be off. This phone is already off, and what you need to do, just keep pressing volume up and down button, keep press and connect cable, and you need to count 5. So we'll start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remove cable, release buttons and connect normal cable, and which is already connected with the computer. And if you see, it will show you here Qualcomm mode. Yeah, you can see here. Now your phone is in Qualcomm mode. Qualcomm or EDL mode is same thing. So now you can play with it. There are too many dialogues, too many things you can do with this phone now. So I hope that will work for you. So if you want to remove from EDL points, just keep press volume down and power button, keep pressing, and your phone will come out in a minute, and you will see now. So yeah, now you can see it's turning on normal. If you like it, please like our channel and subscribe it, please. Thank you.